This is a tribute to B.C. Bird, Premier of Antigua. Many greats have not had their crowns laid upon their heads, but are wreathed on their tombstones when they are dead. Or because of conflicting opinions, we overlook their worthwhile contributions. This should never be so, and this won't happen to Joe. I address these remarks to sincere Antiguan who has made his contribution.
For your country, I think you have played your part. You are one of the few Antiguans at heart.
You have demonstrated what it is to fight and to achieve. Your object was Antigua to retrieve. Yes, we see, though my colors are white and blue,
I join with Antigua to give these flowers to you.
I don't know all the greats who have gone before, but you're a legend in your time, and this I'm sure. The contacts you made for this country, we are now known universally, both your friend and your foe. Accept this to be so. The respect you demand in and around this land, you're a giant of a man.
For your country, I think you have played your part. You are one of the few Antiguans at heart.
You have demonstrated what it is to fight and to achieve. Your object was Antigua to retrieve. Yes, we see, though my colors are white and blue,
I join with Antigua to give these flowers to you.
I say, sir, you're a born fighter, a born leader too, and the whole of Antigua confide in you. Your 5 years as opposition were not spent in isolation, but organizing your coup. Look what you come back and do. I hope that seed time and harvest will haunt Antigua for as long as you're premier.
For your country, I think you have played your part. You are one of the few Antiguans at heart.
You have demonstrated what it is to fight and to achieve. Your object was Antigua to retrieve. Yes, we see, though my colors are white and blue,
I join with Antigua to give these flowers to you.